Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn your theme to lights on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click account information. Now here you will find this theme settings, click on it, and here you will find light, just click on it and that's it, it will be turned on. And that's how to turn your theme to light on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.